My pack is breaking my back.
Mine's shredding my shoulders.
Mine's annoying my neck.
You need Pak Hak.
What's Pak Hak?
Pak Hak straps attach to your backpack in minutes, allowing it to slide over your suitcase handle, but it does so much more. The patent-pending, infinitely adjustable straps wrap around other packs or bags, allowing you to get your companion's packs off their back. Install Pak Hak on all your family travel bags and carry multiple bags at once.
You could get a travel strap and wrap it around your backpack to hold it to your suitcase handle, but you don't want to carry an extra item. Not only that, these straps block access to all your compartments and zippers.
How about a pre-strapped backpack?
If you already own a backpack, you don't want to purchase another one. And if you overstuff them sometimes, they won't fit over the suitcase handle. No. Pak Hak, on the other hand, does it all. Inexpensive, installs in minutes, always with you, lies flat so it's unobtrusive, expandable, and transferable to any other pack or bag.
Now, isn't that better?
We're definitely getting Pak Hak.
Pak Hak. It gets the pack off your back.